The tech world is abuzz, and at the heart of this excitement is NVIDIA. This graphics processing unit giant recently experienced a phenomenal 12% surge in its market value. NVIDIA's GPUs, specifically designed for high-performance computing, are the driving force behind this transformative technology. From self-driving cars to groundbreaking medical diagnoses, AI is rapidly reshaping our world. As the demand for AI applications skyrockets, so too does the need for the hardware that powers it. This surge in NVIDIA's valuation is a clear signal the AI revolution is here and it's gaining momentum. The convergence of AI and crypto represents a fundamental shift in how we interact with data, value, and innovation. Cryptocurrencies built on decentralized blockchain networks offer transparency, security, and accessibility. By combining AI with blockchain, we're witnessing the birth of a new era in technological advancement. Projects in this space are developing solutions for a wide range of applications, from decentralized AI marketplaces to AI-powered prediction markets. We'll explore why developers are increasingly choosing Solana, a high-performance blockchain platform, for their groundbreaking projects. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems within the Solana ecosystem and explore the investment opportunities that await. The significance of AI is not lost on the titans of finance and technology. Larry Fink, CEO of BlackRock, has called AI the biggest investment opportunity of our lifetime. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, sees AI as a double-edged sword, capable of both great advancements and potential risks. A recent study by IBM revealed that nearly 40% of businesses are already incorporating AI into their operations. These endorsements from industry heavyweights, coupled with concrete data on AI adoption, paint a clear picture. AI is reshaping the present and future of business and society. Understanding these real-world applications is crucial for identifying the areas where AI is poised to have the most significant impact. The transformative power of AI is being felt across a wide range of industries. In healthcare, AI is aiding in early disease detection and personalized treatment plans. The financial sector is experiencing a seismic shift thanks to AI, with algorithmic trading and AI-powered chatbots transforming operations. Manufacturing is being reshaped by AI-powered robots and predictive maintenance systems. In transportation, self-driving cars are moving from science fiction to reality. This widespread adoption underscores the immense investment potential of AI. While the potential of AI is undeniable, its widespread adoption faces a significant hurdle: scalability. Training sophisticated AI models requires massive amounts of data and immense computational power. The current infrastructure for AI development is struggling to keep up with this growing demand. This bottleneck has led to a surge in demand for specialized hardware, such as GPUs. The search for scalable solutions is driving innovation in areas like distributed computing and decentralized AI platforms. This is where the intersection of AI and blockchain technology becomes particularly compelling. GPUs have become the workhorses of AI development. Their ability to perform massive parallel computations makes them ideally suited for processing complex AI algorithms. The global chip shortage has amplified the GPU bottleneck, driving up prices and slowing down innovation. This situation highlights the need for alternative solutions to address the growing demand for AI processing power. One promising avenue is the development of specialized AI chips designed specifically for machine learning tasks. The search for a sustainable solution to the GPU bottleneck is driving innovation in the AI hardware space. Ethereum, the pioneer of smart contracts, faces limitations in scalability and transaction costs. For AI projects requiring real-time data processing, these limitations can be a significant bottleneck. Developers are exploring alternative blockchain platforms like Solana, designed to address these shortcomings. Solana's unique architecture boosts transaction speeds and reduces costs. This shift from Ethereum to Solana represents a fundamental change in the blockchain landscape. Solana's focus on high throughput and low latency makes it a compelling choice for AI-powered decentralized applications. Solana has emerged as a leading contender in the blockchain space. Its proof-of-history consensus mechanism significantly boosts transaction speeds and reduces costs. This high throughput is crucial for AI applications demanding real-time data processing. Solana's low transaction fees make it an attractive platform for developers and users alike. This combination of speed, scalability, and cost-effectiveness has propelled Solana's total value locked to new heights. As more developers recognize Solana's advantages for AI, we can expect an influx of innovative projects. Solana's architecture provides several key advantages for hosting AI projects. Its high throughput and low latency enable real-time data processing for AI applications. Solana's low transaction fees make it economically viable to run computationally intensive AI algorithms on-chain. Solana's robust smart contract functionality provides the flexibility and security needed for complex AI applications. Developers can leverage Solana's smart contracts to create decentralized AI platforms and automate AI-powered services. Solana's growing ecosystem fosters innovation and accelerates the development of AI-powered decentralized applications. The Solana ecosystem is rapidly evolving into a hotbed for AI innovation. Decentralized AI marketplaces are emerging, enabling developers to share and monetize AI models. AI-powered prediction markets are gaining traction, providing valuable insights into future events and trends. Decentralized AI training platforms are being built on Solana, preserving data privacy and security. The convergence of AI and decentralized finance is taking shape on Solana, with AI-powered DeFi protocols. This burgeoning ecosystem presents a compelling opportunity for investors seeking to capitalize on the convergence of AI and blockchain technology. Navigating the rapidly expanding world of crypto projects can be daunting. Identifying those with genuine potential requires a strategic approach. The Solana ecosystem offers a treasure trove of opportunities at the intersection of AI and crypto. Follow the smart money. Venture capitalists and institutional investors are constantly on the lookout for promising startups. Platforms like CryptoRank provide tools for tracking investments by leading venture capital firms and blockchain foundations. These early-stage projects represent unique opportunities for investors seeking to capitalize on the next wave of AI innovation. Blockchain infrastructure is crucial for AI growth. Just as a sturdy foundation supports skyscrapers, robust infrastructure supports AI on the blockchain. These projects provide essential building blocks for creating and scaling AI solutions. Decentralized data storage ensures secure, reliable data for AI models. Decentralized computing platforms offer distributed resources for AI development. Interoperability protocols enable seamless data sharing across blockchains. These protocols foster collaboration and innovation in AI. Investing in blockchain infrastructure is key for scalable, innovative AI on the blockchain. Among the many promising AI projects emerging within the Solana ecosystem, TAR Protocol, or TAI, stands out as a compelling contender. TI is building a decentralized machine learning network that aims to revolutionize how AI models are trained, deployed, and monetized. Its unique approach, leveraging the power of blockchain technology and a distributed network of contributors, addresses several key challenges facing the AI industry today. One of TI's key strengths lies in its decentralized nature. By distributing the training and execution of AI models across a network of nodes, TI eliminates the reliance on centralized cloud providers, which can be expensive and prone to censorship. This decentralized approach also enhances data privacy and security, as data is not stored or processed in a single vulnerable location. Furthermore, TI's use of blockchain technology ensures transparency and accountability throughout the AI development lifecycle. All data contributions, model training processes, and transactions are recorded on the blockchain, creating an immutable audit trail that fosters trust and reliability. Another notable aspect of TI is its focus on accessibility. The platform aims to empower developers of all skill levels to participate in the AI revolution, regardless of their technical expertise or financial resources. TI provides user-friendly tools and resources that simplify the process of training, deploying, and monetizing AI models, making AI development more inclusive and accessible to a wider audience. This commitment to democratizing AI aligns with the ethos of blockchain technology, which seeks to empower individuals and communities by distributing control and ownership. Democratizing AI. TI's vision for a more inclusive future. TI aims to democratize AI, breaking down barriers that limit its development to a select few, envisioning a future where everyone can harness AI to solve real-world problems and create innovative solutions. TII empowers a global community to advance AI, fostering inclusivity and collaboration, building a platform with user-friendly tools to make AI accessible to all. Lowering barriers to entry, TII fosters a vibrant and diverse AI ecosystem. Unleashing the power of collective intelligence, TAI's collaborative approach. TI leverages collective intelligence, using a distributed network to develop AI solutions. This democratizes AI, allowing global contributions to advanced technology. TI's decentralized marketplace lets developers share pre-trained models, saving time and effort. Data scientists contribute datasets, enhancing AI model training. This pooling creates robust, unbiased AI models. TI fosters collaboration, tackling complex challenges together. Navigating the roadmap TI's path to decentralized AI dominance. TAR Protocol's roadmap outlines an ambitious plan for a decentralized machine learning network. Shaped by accessibility, collaboration, and innovation, it provides a clear direction for TI's future. A key priority is developing a user-friendly interface for the TI platform. TI is committed to creating an intuitive platform that simplifies AI development. Another focus is expanding TI's decentralized marketplace for AI models and data. New features will include advanced search filters and tools for monetizing AI models. Section 4. David versus Goliath. TI's market positioning and growth potential. In the rapidly evolving landscape of decentralized AI, TAR Protocol, or TAI, emerges as a formidable contender. TI's unique approach, focusing on accessibility and collaboration, positions it as a potential disruptor. TAI is purpose-built for AI development and deployment. This specialization allows TI to optimize its platform for AI workloads. TI's commitment to democratizing AI sets it apart. By empowering individual developers, TAI taps into a vast market of AI enthusiasts. This grassroots approach has the potential to drive rapid adoption and growth. Section 1. Charting the course. Decoding TAI's price history. Technical analysis, the art of deciphering market psychology through chart patterns and indicators, provides invaluable insights for investors seeking to time their entries and exits strategically. For TAR Protocol, or TAI, understanding its price history and identifying key trends is crucial for gauging its potential trajectory and pinpointing opportune moments to enter or exit positions. A glance at TAI's price chart reveals a classic tale of early-stage volatility, characteristic of nascent crypto projects navigating the turbulent waters of price discovery. Sharp surges, often driven by waves of market hype and speculation, are interspersed with periods of consolidation and retracement, reflecting the natural ebb and flow of investor sentiment. Despite this volatility, several key patterns emerge that provide clues about TAI's potential price direction. A series of higher lows and higher highs, forming an ascending triangle pattern, suggests growing bullish momentum, indicating that buyers are consistently stepping in at higher price levels. This pattern often precedes a significant breakout to the upside, signaling a potential surge in buying pressure. Furthermore, TAI's price action has consistently found support around its 50-day moving average, a widely followed technical indicator that reflects the average price over the past 50 trading days. This support level suggests that long-term buyers are accumulating TAI tokens, viewing any dips below this level as attractive buying opportunities. The combination of these bullish patterns and strong support levels paints an optimistic picture for TAI's price potential. Section 2. Identifying the buy signals, entry points, and potential breakout zones. For investors seeking to capitalize on TAI's potential price appreciation, identifying optimal entry points is paramount. Technical analysis provides a framework for pinpointing these opportune moments, leveraging chart patterns, indicators, and market sentiment to guide investment decisions. One compelling entry strategy involves monitoring TAI's price action relative to its breakout point from the aforementioned ascending triangle pattern. A decisive break above the upper trend line of this pattern, confirmed by a surge in trading volume, would signal a significant shift in momentum, potentially triggering a rapid price ascent. Another approach involves identifying pullbacks to key support levels, such as the 50-day moving average or the previous resistance level that now acts as support. These pullbacks, often driven by short-term profit-taking or market noise, provide savvy investors with an opportunity to accumulate TAI tokens at a discount before the next leg up. It's crucial to note that technical analysis is not an exact science, but rather a probabilistic framework that requires careful interpretation and risk management. While chart patterns and indicators provide valuable insights, it's essential to consider other factors such as market sentiment, news events, and overall market conditions before making any investment decisions. A well-defined risk management strategy, including setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, is crucial for navigating the inherent volatility of the cryptocurrency market. The AI crypto confluence, a new frontier of investment. The convergence of artificial intelligence and blockchain technology represents a paradigm shift in how we innovate and create value. This fusion promises to reshape industries and empower individuals. The Solana ecosystem stands out, attracting developers and projects building decentralized AI. From AI marketplaces to prediction markets, Solana offers vast opportunities. TAR protocol, or TAI, aims to democratize AI, presenting a compelling investment opportunity. Its focus on the AI community and strong team positions it as a potential disruptor. The AI crypto revolution presents a unique opportunity for investors. However, this nascent market carries inherent risks and volatility. Section 2. Navigating the risks. Due diligence and informed decision-making. Investing in AI crypto projects requires a discerning eye, skepticism, and thorough due diligence. Understand the risks and make informed decisions based on careful research. Research the team behind the project. Look for experienced developers and advisors. Scrutinize the project's white paper, roadmap, and technical documentation. Engage with the project's community and follow its social media channels. Understand the project's tokenomics. Assess potential risks, including regulatory uncertainty and competition. Diversification is key to mitigating risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread investments across multiple projects and asset classes. Only invest what you can afford to lose. The cryptocurrency market is volatile. Approach AI crypto investments with a long-term perspective.